Hello, children. I'm Suchitra here. Welcome to our class first subject science. Today we are going to study about housing and clothing. Our 10th chapter name is Housing and Clothing.
Shall study in this chapter. House, rain, wind, thieves, food, clothes, toys, our shelter, house. We need a house to protect us from the sun, the rain, the cold, and the wind. You know, a house also protects us from thieves. I'm sure you love your house. I love mine. Now these pictures show what your house protects you from. Our house protects us from the sun, thieves, the cold, the wind, the rain. So, what do we do in our house? Our shelter, house. Well, we take rest in our house. We play and study at home. Sometimes mother and father play with us in the house. That's a lot of fun. A house is also a place to store things like food, clothes, books, toys, beds, tables, chairs, and many other things. Things to remember. Here are some important things we learned in the lesson. First, we need a house to protect us from the sun, the wind, the rain, the cold, and thieves. Second, we need a house for rest and fun. Third, we can store many things in the house.
My home has rooms. Children, in which room do we go to sleep?
The bedroom.
The bedroom. And where do we go to brush every morning?
The bathroom.
Yes, in the bathroom. Our homes have many rooms for different purposes. Let's sing a song and get to know the different rooms in a house.
In my bedroom there is a bed, a sheet to cover and a pillow for my head. In the kitchen grab a spoon and plate. Mommy's cooked food, it smells great. In the living room you can watch TV, read the newspaper or have some tea. Have a bath, brush your teeth, wash your face. To do all this, bathroom is the place. In my bedroom there is a bed, a sheet to cover and a pillow for my head. In the kitchen grab a spoon and plate. Mommy's cooked food, it smells great. In the living room you can watch TV, read the newspaper or have some tea. Have a bath, brush your teeth, wash your face. To do all this, bathroom is the place.
This is living room or drawing room. We also call it as hall. Living room has television and furnitures. So this is
living room.
This is bedroom. Here we have our bed. We used to sleep in the bedroom. So this one is
bedroom.
This one is dining room. We have our food on the dining table and we sit in the dining room and have our food. This one is
dining room.
This one is kitchen. We have various utensils in the kitchen. We prepare our food in the kitchen. And this is
kitchen.
This one is bathroom. We used to take bath in the bathroom. And this one is
bathroom.
This one is garage. We place our vehicles in the garage. So this one is
garage.
Now let's play the guessing game and check out what we have learned. Can you guess the living room? Yes, this is the living room. Now, where is the bedroom? This one. Yes, this is the bedroom. Where is the dining room? This one. Yes, it is the dining room. Next, where is the kitchen? This one. Yes, it is the kitchen. Where is the bathroom? This one. Correct. It is the bathroom. Where is the garage? Yes, correct. It is the garage.
We all wear clothes to cover our body. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, and rain. They also make us look smart. Clothes are of different kinds. Some clothes keep us cool and some keep us warm. Clothes for different seasons. We wear clothes according to seasons. It is hot in summer. We wear cotton clothes in summer. Cotton clothes keep our body cool. We use raincoats and umbrellas to keep us dry when we go out in the rain. It is cold during winter. We wear woolen clothes in winter. Woolen clothes keep us warm. Other clothes. School children wear their uniforms. Some people also wear uniforms according to their professions. Making of clothes. We wear different kinds of clothes. Clothes are made from fibers. We get fibers from cotton plants, sheep, and silkworms. We get cotton from cotton plants. We get wool from sheep. We get silk from silkworms. Cotton, wool, and silk are called natural fibers. Shirts, saris, bed sheets, etc. are made from cotton. Wool is used to knit clothes like sweaters, caps, and socks. Silk is used to make clothes like sari, salwar kameez, shirt, etc. Today, many fibers are made in factories by machines. These fibers are also used for making clothes. These are called man-made fibers. Nylon, rayon, terracotta, polyester, etc. are man-made fibers. Many dress materials are made from these fibers. Man-made fibers last longer than natural fibers. Besides clothes, fibers are also used to make other things. For example, carpets and curtains are made from both natural and man-made fibers. People in different parts of our country wear different types of clothes. People in other countries also dress differently. Care of clothes. We should always wear clean clothes. Clean clothes keep us healthy. We should wash our clothes properly when these get dirty. We should iron our clothes. If we take proper care of our clothes, these will last longer. We should keep our clothes in a clean place. We should store clothes properly when these are not in use.
Yes, children. Are you enjoy the video? Okay, I hope you understand the lesson housing and clothing. Children, I will come up with the next video. See you soon, children. Thank you.